What's going on with y'all, man? Look, we ain't gonna do nothing like that. We gonna do like that. Look, it's been a long time. You feel me? This is a Corona-free edition, okay? Nothing crazy. But when we drink this bad boy right here, COVID-free, man. So we're gonna start off her. You feel me? How I'm saying, bitch? All right, so we're gonna do a little Jose. Cause listen. Excuse me. So we're gonna do a little Jose, okay? Ain't nothing crazy. So we start off with that. Hold on. Put that to the left. Don't forget about that. Mango chimes. Euro. Come back to the fade. You know niggas is on quarantine. Don't try, but so look. Alright, we're gonna get a little bit of. Come on, don't be shy, don't be shy. Okay, we need to mix it because real nigga, you know what I'm saying? They gotta mix it with something. Ain't just no straight. Like, come on, man. It's 2020, so we get the. Okay, amazing. Okay, so what we drinking? Good, right? little more. Okay, put that to the side. Boring now. We having a good time. We chilling. We need something easier. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes people don't want to do like straight liquor. You feel me? So this one. Go funny vibe, bitch. Okay. See, now the warm-up's over. Okay? We chilling now. We cool. You feel me? What you doing? What you doing? Come back over here. Stop bullshit. Alright, so look. Now we, you know what I mean? We had that out the way. We chilling now. We want to have a good time. So we going to bring this bad boy out right here, right? Get a little cup. Because if you don't got no cup with no ice, what you drinking on hot syrup, niggas? You feel me? So then we're going to do this little... little parrot band, little... You know what? So we're going to do this in there. Okay? Make sure it's filled to the top. And you know, we got to mix that motherfucker. So we're going to put that lemonade, yeah, with a little bit of raspberry. And that's it. The rust is off now. You feel me? Watch this. Alright. Okay. It's something about that dog, man. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I think what I'm thinking. You a little more color, feel me? Ain't nothing crazy, you feel me? And we're gonna shake a little bit. Okay. Now we're doing a lot. So we drinking the munchies. You know what I mean? The anger sharks are swimming. So we ate, you know what I mean? We drank, sorry. And now it's time to eat something. You know what I mean? So this ain't just coffee break no more, because that was coffee break with a little bit of bagel, bitch. Tequila cereal, bitch. Honey bunches of tequila much? Stay safe. Stay unsober. And stay fair. Oh God, it's cooking my eye.